Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're looking at the Dumpster Fire stamp and die set from Spellbinders' latest This Is Life collection. I gotta tell you, this collection is very on trend. The timing of that collection is kind of suitable because I am sure you can all agree, there are dumpster fires everywhere. I have two sets from this collection. There are four sets. I only have two. And in this video, I have cards with the Dumpster Fire set. It's a really cool set. I was inspired immediately and I wanted to play. I changed my cards a little bit, meaning I changed my dumpsters a little bit because I wanted to play with my supplies. As always, I wanted to experiment, see what else I could do. The very first card that I created is this one. It's like a girly dumpster fire card. And this one says, slightly on fire, but absolutely killing it. Yes, I do feel like that pretty much every day, if not maybe every other day, if not every day. Now, to make this a little bit more girly, I made my dumpster pink because, why not? Dumpsters are green usually. We do have some yellow dumpsters here, some gray dumpsters, but I went on Pinterest and I searched for dumpster illustrations and I found some pink dumpsters. So why not? So here's a pink dumpster. I added glasses from the Smart Glasses collection from Spellbinders. It is this set. I have talked about this die set recently in the past, and I really like it for little dies like this, like dies with faces, because if you have a face, you have eyes, and if you have eyes, you can add glasses on top, and you have so many different kind of glasses. They really work with many different faces, I should say. So this is one addition that I brought to this card. I got the glasses from Gold Glitter cardstock. The glasses are 2 layers thick. The other layer is cut from just regular white cardstock. And then I added a little flower because I wanted a flower, and I feel like this one comes from the Mini Blooms and Sprigs die set. For the background, I used my molded frame embossing folder. By the way, I recently published a video where I share 6 different ways to use the molded frame embossing folder. So check that out if you haven't yet already, but here I just embossed a basic background. I didn't really do anything special. Now for the color combination, I used chiffon for the background, tutu for the dumpster, wild berry for the detail on the dumpster. This color is, let's see, I can't remember, blush. I also have orange, carrot, and saffron for the fire, and then the little flower was die cut from, let's see, from waterfall and white. I added a couple of black gems scattered around my dumpster, like going diagonally to add a little bit of movement, and that finished my card. Super simple. I plan on giving this to my girlfriend because, yeah, slightly on fire, but absolutely killing it. So that's card number 1. For my card number 2, I created a traditional color dumpster, the color of the dumpster that you can kind of see on the Spellbinders website. They have a nice green dumpster. So I die-cut this from fern rainforest. And then I also have a little bit of this darker green, and that's actually mountain pine cardstock from Alt New. I brought this one for another card that I'll talk about in a bit. For this card, I also brought a cool product that I finally found in my stash. I've had it for a long time, but I kept losing it. So I have the Monster Eyes stickers. These are enamel stickers. I'll have to check the website if they're still available, but because again, they are from many, many years ago. And these were released with this die set, it was like a monster collection 2 years ago maybe, but these are enamel stickers, and these are enamel eyes. Very, very cool. And I use them for this dumpster and also the other dumpster. If you have googly eyes, those would work fun as well, and it would be fun to add them. Okay, I have these googly eyes. So let's see, if I added googly eyes here, see how that would look? Oh my gosh, so cute. I just love it. And it would like, wiggle. I'm not sure why this one's not wiggling. Okay, anyhow, you get an idea. So You can also do that if you have the googly eyes in your stash. Now, to complete this card, I also used several dies from Simon Hurley's Spooktacular collection. I have the monocle around one of the eyes here. You can see how cool that looks. My dumpster suddenly looks all smart. And then I added a little bow tie because why not? Bow ties are really cool. You can also use this as a little hair tie. And also, if you don't want this to be fire, this can kind of be turned into hair, and then you put a tie here, like you put this bow tie here, and it looks like a hair clip. I don't know. That'd be kind of fun to try. And then my sentiment says, if you're gonna burn, burn brightly. For the background, again, I used my molded frame embossing folder, but I did partial embossing. I only embossed it to about here and left the rest blank because I just wanted to try an experiment. Okay, so this is card number 2. Let me set this aside. And then card number 3, which is my absolute favorite, is this one. Your meltdown is safe with me. So what I have here is I have a yellow dumpster with red fire, and I have enamel eyes for my little dumpster, but I popped them up with thin foam adhesive. You can see that these are somewhat dimensional on my card. I also added a tie because when I was decorating the bow tie for this card, I also had this one cut out because it's like one die that cuts these two pieces. So I had the tie. And even though it doesn't really fit here because you can see the wheels are shorter, I still added this onto my little dumpster because, details like this add a whole bunch of character. Now, to create a card, I used a dark green cardstock for the background. This is the Mountain Pine from Alt New. It's a beautiful color cardstock. Alt New has some really cool colors of cardstock. Their cardstock is slightly different from the Spellbinders cardstock. It is a little thinner and it is not as smooth as the Spellbinders cardstock. But yet the colors are fantastic, and I kind of sometimes like to pull from my Alt New cardstock collection when I'm creating with my Spellbinders to have different varieties in color. Another set that I brought, it's not a new set, but it's kind of new to me because it's my first time using it, is this one. Let me find it. Okay, it is this set, and I feel like this is called Little Blooms. It is from the Out and About collection from back when Spellbinders launched their Scout die cutting and embossing machine, so the small machine, and they launched a collection of smaller size dies that would fit in that machine. So this floral set is from that release. I've had it for all of that time, but I haven't used it. And then I found it today because I was kind of looking through my stash for other things that I could use with a dumpster. So I found this floral set along with this cute bird set. Haven't used the bird either, but I'm planning to. So I found the flowers, I decorated a bunch, and I decided I would create a fun floral background for this card, and I did. And I love this. I love this card because it's kind of unexpected, It looks like everything's okay, but then you have a dumpster fire in the middle of it because, that's the way life is. I used green Color Essential gems, again from Spellbinders, to add a couple of gems onto the background, and that kind of finished my card. Now the panel here, this is cut to 5¼ inches. I didn't plan it like this. I accidentally cut it smaller, and I only realized that it was cut smaller once I already had everything adhered onto my card. So to keep things the way the way they were, I decided I would just add that panel onto an A2 top folding card base, a white card base. I did add 2 cardstock panels between my main panel and the card base to add a little bit of weight to this card to make it a bit sturdier, and I love the result. So this is a look at the Dumpster Fire set. What I forgot to mention is that Dumpster Fire and all the other sets in This Is Life collection, these are all stamp and die sets. So you can see this is SDS, and that means stamp and die. So these sets come with a little set of dies, and then you have a sentiment, like a set of sentiment stamps, which is really cool because when you have a specific die set like this, if you have just the dies, it would be kind of hard to find sentiments that go with those dies. I mean, of course, you can kind of print your own, but who wants to do that? I don't want to do that. I want to have sentiments. And in fact, I wish these were better press sentiments because I would really like to be able to better press them or foil them. But nonetheless, we have stamp sentiments, and these have some really fun and quirky sentiments in them. I do have one more set with the pills from this collection, and I do plan to create some cards with it, but I don't have them yet, and I wanted to publish this video, so here we are. So this is my look at the dumpster fire cards with Spellbinders. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time.